Hello people, today I'm in Southport and I'm at Westcliffe Apartments. So mine's a studio apartment, so shall we go have a look? So as you can see, there's a double bed. Let's have a look at the bed, shall we? Here's a bit stained there. Not too bad. Has the bit, there's mattress protector there. Sheet. So look at these pillows. Yeah. Yeah, they're okay. Quite comfy. Not. So I've got towels there. And then you've got this bench thing, like table. You've got bedside lamp there. And a basket. And then you've got a bedside lamp on that side as well. It's already on, so I'll just figure out how you put this on. There we go. And then full length mirror and wardrobe. There's an air dryer and iron up there. Your ironing board, radiator, excuse my stuff, and this maybe bag rack or I don't know, clothes rack, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know what it is. And then there's a big fan there, and an extension lead under there. A rug, carpet, it looks clean, and TV there. Just put that on. Yeah, and then you've got table with 2 chairs. Yeah, this works, and it looks like a smart TV as well. And I gather they're artificial. Yeah. Then we've got tea, coffee, hot chocolate, milks, sugar, a couple of biscuits. Got toaster there. Kettle. See, shall we? If it's clean. Not great, but I've seen worse. Toaster. Then you've got fridge there, and with freezer compartment. Let's have a look at this freezer compartment, shall we? Yeah, it's clean. So fridge is clean. And then you got tea, coffee, sugar pot, grater, plates, pans, bowl, another bowl, chopping board, and then kitchen roll, microfiber cloth, bin bag, dustpan and brush, washing up liquid in a tea towel there, a clock that isn't right on time, don't work, and then you got this microwave, yeah, I'm not sure if it's microwave oven or what, but at least that's clean. So you have above the microwave cups and glasses. Sink clean, drainer there, a hob, and utensils, more kitchen roll there, new utensils to cook with, and a tin opener as well, fire blanket, and bin. Also got this desk, again, excuse my bag. You've got a chair there, and you've got your toiletries, bath and shower gel and shampoo and conditioner and hand and body lotion, soaps, a little makeup mirror there. Let's have a look at this bathroom, shall we? That's toilet roll there. blind. The window opens, that's good. Oh, yeah. And then we've got the toilet. That's your thingy towel for the floor. So let's stick that on the towel rack there. And then the toilet's clean. Yeah. Toilet brush, bin, the sink, hand wash, and little underneath sink cupboard. And then got the shower. Just try and figure out how to do it. That's it, so push there. And then the shower head. That's quite clean. Yeah. So shower's quite clean as well. Little mirror there. And then outside you've got your towel rail there. Got a little hook there. And then another window there. That's your view. I want to see how many plug sockets there is. There's one up there. And there's one down here. And one over there. And of course one on the kitchen side there as well. And let's see if we can open these blinds as well. Ugh. Yeah. And as you can see, not far from the beach there either. So we've got this cupboard here. Ooh, it's the attic. So, but yeah, let me know what you think of this studio. I paid £88 for 2 nights. It works out about £44 a night here in Southport. So let me know what you think, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.